If you haven't took a look at your credit report in the past several months, you're in big trouble. How do you know if someone else's negative activity is reported on your credit report? How do you know if you have some collections that are still on there even if you disputed them ages ago? How do you know if your FICO score is good or bad? Because why would you want to walk into a bank, a financial institution, or apply online, go to any creditor for what it's worth, and have reservations of, will I get qualified? Will they deny me? Will I be embarrassed as a result of what they'll tell me? You want to be able to walk into any financial institution, any lender, any auto loan, any home loan. You want to be able to walk into any financial institution with confidence. But first, you got to see what's on your credit. So now I'm here to introduce you about Identity IQ. Now we have a special offer with Identity IQ, so if you check the link below, you'll be able to use our link to get a good discount, a considerable discount that's not offered on their link. So make sure you use our link in the description. So Identity IQ is a credit monitoring service. So you need a credit monitoring service to monitor your credit. And you want to make sure you monitor your credit on a monthly basis. Why is that important? Because month by month, negative things may show up on your credit report. If you look right now, you'll actually see my recent copy of my credit report, and you'll see an inaccurate name on my credit report, Paul Herrera. Who the heck is that guy? Now, what if Paul Herrera has some negative activity on his credit report, and being that his name is on my credit report, his negative activity is also on my credit report? I wouldn't know that unless I check my credit on a monthly basis. So you might be thinking, well, I could just check it yearly, because there's programs out there, there's websites out there called annualcreditreport.com that are free. Yes, they're free, but key word is annual. You only get it once a year, and I highly recommend you to view it on a monthly basis, because I'm a real estate investor and I buy properties on a monthly basis. And I have to make sure my credit is looking so pretty. I have to monitor it myself, because it is my responsibility, like it's your responsibility to monitor it on a monthly basis to make sure there's nothing negative on there. So I can continually buy real estate properties when I apply for mortgages, because I don't want that to hold me back. I don't want that to be an obstacle in my way to getting passive income that I receive on a consistent basis with little to no work required. And you also want to understand that you want to use Identity IQ because it gives you an accurate depiction of your FICO score. Unlike other websites like Credit Karma, for example, they may show some activity on your credit report, but it doesn't provide an accurate depiction of your FICO score. Why is that? Because it's free. And you heard the whole saying before, you get what you pay for. So if you're paying zero for Credit Karma, what do you expect to receive? Zero results. So I want to make sure you use Identity IQ to see an accurate depiction of your FICO score. And from a lender's perspective and a credit repair company's perspective, because we extend financing such as business credit, we at 100% Finance. We extend financing as business credit, low-down mortgages, and we also are a credit repair company. We'll help repair your credit. We highly recommend using Identity IQ. But again, you want to be able to use our link in the description so that you can get the best discount available. All right, guys, so I want you to watch this clip on how I'm going to show you how I personally signed up for Identity IQ so that you can do the same. Now remember, use the link below in the description to get your considerable discount with Identity IQ. Thank you. Hey, what's up, guys? My name is Juan Pablo from 100%Finance.com. So for today, in this clip, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Identity IQ, as well as what things you should look for with your credit report, and also how to upload it to a business credit form. Is this the reason why you came across this video? So thank you guys for joining. Let's get right into it. So right now I'm at Identity IQ. Now I want you to use the special link that we sent you, whether it's through a website or from a representative at 100%Finance.com, because this link is designed to help you save money. We have a great relationship with Identity IQ, and they gave us a special offer code for our clients to use to get a considerable discount. Now, if you go directly to Identity IQ without using our link, you can't get mad at us if you're not saving money. So I want to make sure you save money, get the best plan, only $1 to get access to your credit report for 7 days, then $21.99 after that. So if you're just signing up for the first time, click on Get Yours Now. Now, when you sign in, it's going to ask you for your name, your credit card information. It's going to ask you some questions to verify your identity. So make sure you think back and answer the right questions to verify your identity. And then once you sign in, you're going to go into this area where it says Credit Report. Now, what I would like you to do is click on here, print this page, to print it. And then you can go to Save as PDF that I have here on my Mac. and click save, and you can save it to your downloads. So once you save it, then you can go to our business credit page at 100percentfinance.com. Go to funding, business credit. You fill in your information here, blah, blah, blah. And then you can click choose file to upload that file. Very simple, very easy to do. Okay, so we're not going to do that now. And some other notable mentions on this, you can click credit score if you want to see your credit score. See 786, 760, 766. You can also click account history if you want to see the things of your account. Now, if it says KD, that means key derogatory. Those are things you don't want to see. So if you have key derogatories on your credit report, you have inquiries on your credit report as well. If you click on inquiries, you can see here. We can help you with that. We provide credit repair as a service and ink removal as a product as well. And we also help you with your funding needs. As I just showed you, we can help you with business credit. We can help you with low down mortgages. We can also help you with hard money. So if you're interested in credit repair services, ink removal, as well as with business funding, just reach out to us, book a call at 100percentfinance.com. Now, I want to make sure you stay enrolled with Identity IQ month after month while you're in a credit repair program, or if you continuously want to use your financing to get the best terms available. And that's what I did. I fixed my credit so my credit could look pretty so I can constantly use it to give me the best terms for mortgages and for business credit. So make sure you keep your credit monitoring service, Identity IQ, open for the lifetime of you being enrolled in our credit repair program, or if you continuously apply for funding. So, okay, guys, so as always, to your success. If you need any assistance or have any questions, reach out to us, book a call on 100percentfinance.com so we can better serve you. So always, guys, to your success. Continue to earn passively, live passionately. Peace.